In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unrestrict someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook Messenger app because we can't unrestrict or restrict a user using our Facebook app. So, first of all, open up Messenger. Then let me show you how we can restrict a user. We can easily do so right from the conversation with someone. All you have to do is just tap at the very top at their name and then tap at restrict. That will immediately restrict that user, and now let me show you the first way how we can unrestrict them. All we have to do is just tap at Unrestrict right here from that user's profile. That is the first way how we can unrestrict a user. The second one is to find the list of all the restricted users and unrestrict them from there. To do that, tap right here at three lines, then tap at Gear to head over to Settings and Privacy, then get into Privacy and Safety. And that's where you can easily find restricted accounts. If we tap on it, it will show us all the users we have restricted on Messenger. To unrestrict a user, tap on it, and then tap at Unrestrict. In this way, we can easily unrestrict users. Just keep doing the same steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.